Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel XOXL. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below for more videos like this at least twice a week on product reviews, unboxings, makeup tutorials, whatnot. I'm trying to get some spring vibes going. I have like this bright purple shirt on, but it's like gray and dreary out, so it's like like I just need spring, like I need summer, and I feel like it's January 112 right now. But it's April. So, you know what? We're going to get right into this video about the April Boxycharm, which I was very surprised because I was like, didn't I just do a March box, like an unboxing? But this one came kind of early, and I did do that one a little bit late. So, I mean, now it's already April, and I was just like, it's already April? Like, what? Like, what? So, to get into this video, this is Boxycharm. If you haven't checked out my other Boxycharm, it will be up here or down there. So check that out. That is my Boxycharm unboxing. I also did an Ipsy unboxing as well. So this is the Boxycharm. Boxycharm is a subscription service, beauty service, and this one is $21 a month. It's either 20 or 21. And you get five full-size products for $21, which I do not think is too bad of a deal. And then you get to try different brands or brands that you already know, and it kind of is personalized to you. So I would definitely check it out if you're interested and want to try new goodies. So we're going to start with, ooh, good brands. I like it when they give me the card so I can like actually read what it is. So we're going to start with the Brow Gale from Tanya Cooks. I couldn't see that. Yeah. Tanya Crooks. Yes. So that is this. This is tinted eyebrow gel with microfibers to achieve a natural hair look. Perfect for the customer who wants a quick but natural fill to their brows. This is $22. So that's good in itself. So this is in, doesn't give you a color. I don't know what color it is, but hopefully it's not too light. But it reminds me of the Ulta brow tint that I use in a lot of my videos that I absolutely love. So I am assuming that this will be fantastic. The Brow Gale. So I do like a lot of brow stuff. Then, ooh, skincare. Obsessed with skincare. So this is the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner Pore Purifying Mask. This stuff is so good. I think I got a sample of it at Sephora one time, like a little one. And it works so good. It just like cleans out all like the blackheads and cleans out your pores and everything and kind of shrinks them down. And it's a really good mask. And this is $47. Like I already knew that, but I looked at the card and I was like, holy, I forgot. This is award-winning pore clogging. I really hope it's not. No, pore refining mask is an extraction specialist, unclogging and tightening the look of pores and reducing excess oil from the skin's surface. So hashtag Dr. Brandt candy. Oh, because it's like a candy, eye candy theme. Cool. So yes, so this is really nice. I've also used his primer, the Pores No More primer. Absolutely amazing. If you like that Benefit Professional, I would highly recommend his brand, the Pores No More, because it's almost the same, but it's like a lot better. I don't know how else to explain it because it's just a lot better and it doesn't clog your pores. It stays. It actually like has tea tree oil in it to refine your pores. So I mean, I don't like Professional and I love that one, the Pores No More. So check that out. I love it. Then we got some, ooh, the Tartiste Pro Glow Liquid Highlight. Super pretty. Ooh. Yeah, it's like a gold. Oh my gosh. That'll be really pretty on. This is exposed. So this is super pretty. I love Tarte's products. This will be a really nice highlight. And this will like last forever. Forever. Glow like a goddess with this creamy highlighter that builds from sheer to intense. Ultra concentrated pigments and pearls are suspended in this hybrid gel cream. Oil-free formula that you can mix with, oh yeah, you could mix it with your liquid foundation or wear it alone. And honestly, you probably could mix it in your moisturizer too if you want an all-over glow that like was toned down. It slips softly onto skin and keeps moisture in with tapered, squeezable packaging. I like it. I like it a lot. And then you can just like squeeze it onto the back of your hand, dip your brush in it, and go to town. But yeah, you could definitely mix this into your, you can mix any liquid highlight into your foundation or your moisturizer. I would highly recommend doing that because then it gives you a nice all-over glow, especially if you're dry. I would definitely try that. Not if you're oily like me. I wouldn't want to do that. I just need it in specific areas, not all over my face. And then this is Adesse, New York, high definition liquid lipstick. And oh, this is $29 if I didn't say that already. And then this is $24. So we're gonna see what that one looks like. Ooh! Super pretty nude. Super pretty nude. That's a lot of liquid lipstick too. That is a lot. This is heavy. I'm not even kidding you. Like, that would last you forever, especially if it's long wearing and you have to only put on like a couple coats. Like, that is nice. Oh, they also give you some offers too. Fancy. So that is a intense pigment with advanced polymers, long lasting, cruelty free, gluten free, paraben free. Woo woo! And then it's, ooh, ColourPop! Semi-Precious Shadow Palette. And this retails for 26 buckaroonies. Which I like ColourPop anyway. Ooh! Like, that's a good deal. Like, that's a good palette. Even if you were to, like, literally, if you were to buy this by itself, $26, you're saving for, like $5. Sorry. And you are basically, like, technically, if you want to think of it this way, you're saving $6 if you get Boxycharm, and you're getting the rest of the products free. Like, if you want to think about it that way, or like you're getting this and like this, I don't know. It's just like, if you think about it in like a deal way, which I think about everything is like deals, then it's a really good deal. So these are super pretty. Love ColourPop. ColourPop's reasonably priced anyway, so I mean, you can't go wrong. You literally can't go wrong. So this one's got really pretty spring colors in it. See all the spring colors? Yeah, that we don't have yet. No spring. Can't wear any spring colors until it's spring. It's almost spring. I'm hoping for it to be spring. But yes, this was my Boxycharm for April. It was the eye candy box. And I hope that you enjoyed this unboxing. Let me know if you get any subscription boxes and what you think of Boxycharm, Ipsy, Sephora Play, Glossy Box, Birchbox, anything. So let me know your thoughts. If you've used any of these products as well, let me know. And yeah, stay tuned for more videos, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye!